Good day from the Great White North. This is Freaky P, the Crazy Canuck, and we're back with Kerbal. And yes, we're in the playing hangar now. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I don't like leaving unfinished business when it comes to Kerbal. So we built our plane, we took off, but we weren't able to land. And so I'm back. And I did a few wee little changes. I moved the wings a bit and the wheels, and I'm gonna hope that this works. Hopefully, we'll get more control, and most importantly, hopefully, we're gonna land. Hopefully is the key word here. Alright, so let's start this puppy up and see what we can do. Alright, let's make sure we stay on the runway. Now, the one thing I don't like about this is the fucking, speeding up to take off. As you can see, it has a mind of its own on where it wants to go. Okay. Hopefully this is good. No. You know what? Fuck it. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. This worked out well. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna climb and we're gonna go out a bit at an angle. Because we want to land in one piece, that is. And keep poor Jebediah alive. He's our test pilot here. I never thought to put somebody else. Jebediah, you're a fame whore, you know that? Always want to be in the spotlight. Alright, so we're going to climb. Let's climb this puppy up. Did you hear that? Yeah, baby. Alright. Alright, so let's bring this puppy down a little. Whoop-a-la. Here we go. Alright, so let's go back up a little bit because I want to see how things look from here. Oh, I think we can get a wide enough angle now to do it. Alright, so let's go out a little more just to make sure. Let's check our angle here, see how things are. Yeah, I think we got room to spare. Alright. By the way, have you noticed nothing on the islands? Nothing there. Apart from the base, there's fuck all on this planet. What the fuck is that about? And where the hell do these Caribbean get their food from? I don't see any vegetation. I see a fucking lot of water though and land, but I don't see anything except for a space base, which is pretty fucking weird within itself. What do you think about it? See, look, nothing on the fucking islands, nothing. Okay, so let's go back. Oh, sorry about that, folks. I'm gonna get you all dizzy here. Okay, let's go back up. She's a big bitch that just will not control herself. Up. There we go. Okay. Now, we definitely want to stay on track here because we want to land. Hey, don't get me wrong. If it's going to be a little off and off the runway, I'll take it. As long as I fucking land. Alright, what's going on here? Come on, work with me. What the fuck? Oh god, don't do that. Okay, here we go. Alright, turn this baby around. Come on. Work with me here. Alright, you know what? We're gonna start, I think, cutting down the throttle. Let's go about half throttle. Alright, how's this look? How's this look? Up, up, up. Okay, let's keep it there. Let's cut the throttle a little more. Let's go do quarter throttle. Okay, come on, work with me. Work with me here. Oh shit, this is not good. This is not good. Work. Oh, we are not gonna land on the runway. I'm gonna try. Come on, work with me here. Work with me here. Come on. Let's cut all throttle. Okay, here we go. Here we go, folks. Hold on. Oh, come on. We gotta... Brakes! Brakes! Slow. No! God damn. Oh, he's alive, though. He's alive. But I said in one piece, and we are not in one piece. Question is, are we gonna land or are we gonna crash again? Okay, we're at quarter throttle. Turn this puppy this way. Let's hope to God this works. Hang on tight, folks. We're gonna drop it all the way. Oh, I pushed the A button instead of the S. Oh, work with me. I hate that goddamn cord. Can I do it? Fuck it, I'm doing it. Oh, pull up. I bet you traffic controller is not happy. Come on. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. No, work with me. Damn it. Oh, kept Jebediah alive, but still haven't worked. Let's try this again, shall we? Okay, here we come, folks. Damn. We're not over the runway. That's worrying me. Hold on, let's see what I can do here. Let's cut the throttle full. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, folks, I think I may actually have it this time. Hold on. Brakes! No! There we go. Cut the engines all the way. Here we go. Up. Hold on. No! I had it. Oh. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Holy shit, folks! Yes, 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 yes! We did! Holy fuck! Oh, then I don't want to slam them on too fucking fast there. Come on. There we go. There we go. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. We did it! We landed! Jebediah, you're alive after so many deaths and so many crashes. Anyhow, this is a great day for Jebediah. And let's see, can we get him out of here? I wonder. Oh, wait, yeah, EVA. Woohoo! Let go, Jebediah. Get back up there. You look stupid. Get up. Uh-oh. Jebediah, you're playing catch your plane, for Christ's sakes. Anyhow, poor Jebediah. I hope he does catch his plane. He doesn't look like he's got much of a chance. And on that note, thank you guys for stopping by. If you've enjoyed the video, then smack the like button, lay down your comments, and subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. And until the next video, this is Freaky P saying good day. Want to stay up to date on the newest videos added to the channel? Then click on the subscribe button below. Or better yet, come and post your comments, questions, or just have a chat with me on my Facebook page by clicking on the link in the description box below. And until the next video, this is Freaky P saying good day.